আসসালামু আলাইকুম, গুড আফটারনুন। সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, সপ্তম শ্রেণীর শিক্ষার্থীরা যারা দেখছো, আমি নুরুল আজিজ, অ্যাসিস্ট্যান্ট টিচার ইংলিশ, কৃষ্ণকুমারী সিটি কর্পোরেশন গার্লস হাই স্কুল। আজ তোমাদের সামনে রুটিন অনুসারে ইংরেজি প্রথম পত্রের আরও একটি ক্লাস নিয়ে তোমাদের সামনে হাজির হয়েছি চট্টগ্রাম অনলাইন স্কুলের পক্ষ থেকে। ভয়াবহ করোনা দুর্যোগের সময় আমরা বাসায় পড়ালেখা করছি, তারই অংশ হিসেবে আমরা চট্টগ্রাম অনলাইন স্কুলের ক্লাসগুলো নিয়মিত দেখছি। গত ক্লাসে আমরা ইংরেজি প্রথম পত্রের হেলেন কেলার যে সিন প্যাসেজটা ছিল সেটা নিয়ে আমরা আলোচনা করেছিলাম। আশা করছি সেটা তোমরা চর্চা করেছো বাসায়। আজকে আমি ঠিক করেছি একটি আনসিন প্যাসেজ নিয়ে আলোচনা করব। তোমরা জানো 3 নম্বর যে কোশ্চেনটা আসে সেখানে দুটো আনসিন প্যাসেজ থাকে। দুটো আনসিন প্যাসেজের মধ্যে যেটা দ্বিতীয় প্যাসেজ, যেটা বি সেকশন, অর্থাৎ যেখান থেকে তোমাকে ট্রু ফলস লিখতে হবে, সেরকম একটি আনসিন প্যাসেজ নিয়ে আমি ডিসকাস করব। সো প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, লেটস বিগিন আওয়ার টুডেস ক্লাস। You see a picture, this is none other than Rabindranath Tagore. Today, our class, the unseen passage is about Rabindranath Tagore. So, after the end of the lesson, you will be able to understand unseen passage, determine and write true or false statements. We will read the text. Rabindranath Tagore was a great Indian poet. He was born on 7th of May 1861 at Jurasankar, Kolkata. His father was Maharshi Devendranath Tagore and his mother was Sharoda Devi. He took his early education at home, not from any school. In 1878, he went to England for his formal schooling. However, he did not complete it. He returned to India, and opened his own school named Shantiniketan in Bolpur. This school later became a university. He wrote thousands of poems, songs, plays, short stories, essays, and articles. His major works are Manoshi, Shonartori, Gitanjali, Bolaka, Gora, Ghore Baire, Shesher Kobita, etc. He is known as Bisho Kobi. He earned Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. One of his songs, Amar Shonar Bangla, is the national anthem of Bangladesh. The national anthem of India was also composed by him. So this is the unseen passage. You see, there are several features of this text. The childhood or birth of the poet Rabindranath Tagore. There is information about his parents, his education, his establishment. That means he established a school, namely Shantiniketan, which is very popular, and later this school became a university. He was a versatile genius, so he composed thousands of poems, songs, plays, short stories, essays, articles, whatnot. There are several popular works of Rabindranath Tagore that are Manashi, Shonar Tori, Gitanjali, Bolaka, Gora, Ghore Baire, Shesher Kavita, etc. So he is known as Vishwa Kavi. He won Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. So let's go to our questions. We have read the text. So the instruction of this question is write T in your answer scripts if the statement is true. Write F if the statement is false. If false, write the correct answer. You do not need to copy the statement in your script. Only the corresponding number of the statement will do. That means if the answer is false, you do not need to write the sentence. Just you have to write the letter F. So there are 5 statements for you. So we have read the text, we have discussed the text. So please try to guess the statement if false or true. The first one is Rabindranath Tagore went to London at the age of 17. Is it true? You can look back the text. Rabindranath Tagore went to England in 1878. That means he was born in 1861. That means in 1878 he was 17 years of age. At that time he went to England. There is no mention of London, but London is in England. So the statement Rabindranath Tagore went to London at the age of 17. Is it true? Yes, this is true. So you have to write T. So the answer is true. Now you see, he had his early education from a local school. What we find in the text, he took his early education at home, not from any school. So the answer should be he had his early education from a local school. Is it true or false? Yes, this is false. The answer is he had his early education at home. So I think you can answer like this. Third question is, Rabindranath Tagore took higher education from England. Is it true? What you find in the text? He went to England for his formal schooling. However, he did not complete it. He returned to India, opened his own school named Shantiniketan in Bolpur. So what should be the answer of question number 3? This is false. Rabindranath Tagore did not complete his higher education in England. So if false, we have write the letter F. Then we have write the correct answer. We have written the correct answer here. Rabindranath Tagore did not complete his higher education. So I think you understand these steps. From the beginning, Shantiniketan is a university. From the beginning, Shantiniketan is a university. What do you think? What do you find in the text? He established his own school named Shantiniketan in Bolpur. Later, it became a university. So, naturally, it was not a university in the beginning. So, it became a university later. So, the answer should be false. The correct answer, at the beginning, Shantiniketan was a school. Our question number 5, Gitanjali is one of his great works. This is known to all of you. He won his Nobel Prize for his writing Gitanjali. So you see, the answer is true. The answer is true. So we have finished these question answers of true false. So our today's lesson has come to an end. My dear students, if you practice this kind of unseen passage at home, I think you can do well in the exam. So in our next class, we will try to discuss another unseen passage. So till then, I think you practice all those classes from Chattogram Online School. Please stay at home. If it is not necessary, you shouldn't go out because the situation is worsening day by day. So please take care, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.